What if your return, instead of being on the right side of the humidifier, was on the left? Then everything would seem to be upside down. We've made it super easy for you to be able to change the humidifier around and make sure everything is going the right way and in the right direction. Starts with this cover. I'm going to take this back off. You'll notice our badge here is facing the direction that the humidifier was installed. If I had to change the direction that the humidifier was facing, we just grab this pin, push it, and our plate pops out. Now, we can reinstall our nameplate like such, so that when we turn the humidifier, we're pointed in the right direction. Now, if you put the humidifier in, it's going to look like everything's upside down, okay? Everything on the humidifier can be changed around so that you can make sure that you're draining out of the bottom, because draining out of the top isn't going to work. Let's show you how. So, first thing we do is we got to remove the drain spud. To remove the drain spud, just rotate it. If you rotate it, it will pop right out of the top. Next, we have a blanking cap inside the humidifier. Simply rotate that, and it will pull out of the bottom. Now, we flip. So as we look at our drain spud, there are little notches that line up with the drain opening at the bottom of the humidifier. Simply take your drain spud, line up those notches, and it will sit through the bottom of the housing. Now, we can rotate it counterclockwise, and it locks into place. Now, if we look at our blanking cap, you're going to notice that we've got the same notches on this blanking cap. The difference here is, instead of installing this from the inside of the housing, this one comes from the top. So we line up our notches with the opening. It'll pop right in, sit flush. Rotate this one clockwise. There's a little pin underneath that can help you turn it. And now you've changed the drain.